In X-type, deployment policies govern all update set deployments between instances. We will deploy the top update set to our QA instance from our first development instance and allow X-type controlled instance synchronization to sync the newly deployed update set backward to our second development instance. X-type deployment policies will govern both the forward and backward deployments. First, let's review the X-type deployment policy that will govern the deployment of our update set from Dev1 to QA. Deployment policies have scope and direction. In this case, our scope is global, and the direction is for update sets moving from Dev1 to QA. This deployment policy will enforce a ServiceNow code scan before deployment and will only deploy the update set if the scan is successful or if the scan fails with a finding level of low. Otherwise, the deployment will stop and raise a notification. A similar deployment policy will govern the backward sync to our Dev2 instance. X-type reports how remote instances are connected across your ServiceNow footprint. Here, X-type controlled synchronization will automatically deploy backward update sets from QA to all development instances. Let's put this into practice. Switching to my ServiceNow screen, I am going to mark my current update set as complete. Switching back to X-type, let's deploy our update set to QA. We'll select QA as our target instance and then click Start Deployment. As X-type deploys our update set to Q, notice that a deployment policy governs the migration. Upon successful deployment to QA, X-type synchronizes Dev2 with QA